Hey folks, you're watching Conf42 Chaos Engineering 2024. Break your systems so they don't break on you. Before we start, please make sure to join our Discord and Slack to have a chat with everyone. This conf was made possible by SRE Day, the gold sponsor, StarterAI.dev, our newsletter partner, and our amazing media partners. We opened the event with a keynote by Gunnar Grosch, Principal Developer Advocate at AWS. He'll show you how to enhance hypothesis development through resilience modeling.
In this session, we're going to look at resilience modeling and how that guides teams to anticipate scenarios before they lead to incidents. You'll learn how to build a resilience model to create valuable hypotheses. Hypothesis that allows you to maximize the value of your chaos engineering experiments.
Next up, please join us for a panel discussion with creators, maintainers and contributors to various chaos engineering projects. We have Anurag Palwal from Chaos Mesh community, Karthik Satchinanand from Litmus Chaos community, Sylvain Hellegouarch from the Chaos Toolkit community, and Miko Pawlikowski from the Powerful Seal community. The panel is moderated by none other than Prithvi Raj.
Probably as a community as leaders of tools that we've created, we've not been good at joining forces, right, into a bigger thing. So make it look bigger than it might. We're telling them we need to have more players in the. It's good to have competition at a commercial level and probably open source level as well, because the more you have, to a certain degree, the more it proves in a way that there is a need for this, right? Market, however you want to call this. So you need that. You need to have the players work together in a way to the validity of the effort.
Francesco Sbaraglia and Michele Dodic from Accenture will navigate us through chaos engineering in the fast lane, accelerating resilience with AI and eBPF.
Do you want to know how to enhance your chaos experiments with AI and an interesting piece of technology called eBPF? Then I suggest you check out mine and Francesco's session on chaos engineering in the fast lane, accelerating resilience with AI and eBPF, premiering on February 15th.
Indika Wimalasuriya, Senior Systems Engineer Manager at Virtusa, is here to unravel smart chaos, leveraging generative AI in chaos engineering.
Hi everyone, welcome to Conf42 Chaos Engineering 2024. My name is Indika Wimalasuriya and I'm very happy to be part of this year's conference. I'll be talking about Smart Chaos, which is about leveraging Gen AI to build autonomous chaos engineering workflow. Looking forward to meeting you all.
Kiranpreet Chawla, Solutions Architect at AWS, is here to present resilient and well-architected apps with chaos engineering.
Please join in for my talk on building well-architected applications with chaos engineering. I'll talk about AWS well-architected framework and how that ties together with chaos engineering. We'll also have a look at an example on how to implement it.
Next up, Opemipo Disu, Developer Advocate at Fermion Technologies, invites you to explore Mighty Melt Architecture 101, crafting the future of front-end development.
Of any React accessibility tool for building React applications easily. I mean, you heard me right, yes. Mighty Melt is actually something I'll be talking about. And in this talk, I'll discuss about different things on the architectural design, the components that's made up of Mighty Melt, and really how it works, how it builds so many React applications visually. So I can't wait to see you at my talk at Conf42, doing all this and talking about the architectural designs of Mighty Melt. So see you there, can't wait to.
Ben Krause, together with Oliver Steenbuck from AWS, will enlighten us on chaos in the cloud.
Did you know that you can extend chaos engineering to the cloud level? In Oliver's and my talk, we are going to show you how to run and execute chaos engineering experiments in the cloud. With a given demo application, we are going to assess its resiliency and then update the application architecture in order to be able to withstand an outage. Does this sound interesting to you? Then we are looking forward to see you in our session.
Zhang and Kristina Kondrashevich from Electrolux are here to help you bring chaos engineering to your organization in a fun and continuous way.
Greetings from Stockholm.
Hi, are you struggling with disturbances in your infrastructure and you do not want to scare your developers by attacking their beloved services? We've been there.
We will share how we transfer the infra knowledge and reduce the number of incidents via fun and continuous chaos engineering. Join us at Conf42. See ya.
Oh, I think
Perfect one, yes.
Gabor, tech lead at Vodafone, will lead us through chaos engineering war games. Prepare for the unexpected.
I would like to invite you to my presentation on chaos engineering war games. I discuss how it can prepare us for and navigate through unexpected events. During the presentation, I explain what chaos engineering war game is, the different types of war games we use, and how we made them engaging for participants. Additionally, I provide insight into how to start chaos engineering war games, select appropriate exercises, manage participants, and set clear goals for the war game. I show you that simply identifying improvement areas isn't sufficient. Action must be taken to address and resolve them. Lastly, I touch on the importance of communicating and publicizing the achievements and outcomes of these war games. I hope you will join me at Conf42 Chaos Engineering Conference to explore these topics further. Thank you and see you there.
Up next, Neelanjan, Manna and Sayan Mondal from Harness will show you how to simplify chaos validation. Plug and play with resilience probes.
Observability is crucial in chaos engineering. Beyond injecting faults, measuring impact and ensuring SLA compliance are vital. To solve this, Harness provides resilience probes, which are simple pluggable conditional checks that validate the impact of your chaos experiments.
Join me and Sayan as we'll talk about using resilience probes to leverage your existing observability stack for defining custom condition checks for chaos experiments along with diverse real-world applications with the help of a demo. See you there.
Eugene Lykov, Senior Software Engineer at Visionis, is our next speaker. Shaping Tomorrow, exploring the advancements and persistent effects of industrial equipment modeling.
Hello there. I'm looking forward to see you on my talk on Shaping Tomorrow, exploring the advancements and persistent effect of industrial equipment modeling. We will discuss what happens in simulation software world nowadays, how industrial companies deal with mathematical modeling and simulations, and where you can find unexpected opportunities for model software development. I am really happy to share my experience on this topic with you and wish you a good time on the conference. Thank you.
David Lavezzo, Director of Security Chaos Engineering at Capital One, will present Security Chaos Engineering, how to fix things you didn't know were broken and make friends while doing it.
Season's greetings, whichever season you're currently in. Despite my monotone delivery, I'm super duper excited to talk about security chaos engineering, experiments, and use cases with you. Unfortunately, there won't be a music number, but a good time should still be had by all.
Jay Hankins, lead member of technical staff at Salesforce, joins us to explore chaos engineering and service ownership at enterprise scale.
Hi there. I hope you'll join me for my talk, Chaos Engineering and Service Ownership at Enterprise Scale. I'm going to take you behind the scenes at Salesforce, and I'll talk about what we learned as we shifted left and scaled up our chaos engineering practice. I'll talk about what's needed to empower service owners to run their own chaos experiments, and I'll share some challenges we faced as we scaled up in our complex infrastructure. Finally, we'll talk about how a chaos engineering platform can increase speed, accuracy, and safety when doing chaos, no matter the size of your org. So I hope you'll join me, and I hope you have a great conference. Thanks so much.
Charles Ackel, Head of NASRE and NAM Core Production Management at Citibank, will share with us the journey of chaos engineering at Citibank.
Hello, please join me on my tech talk about chaos engineering. I will touch briefly on the background, how we implemented across the lower environment and production using production game days, one touch, and the different environments. I'll also talk briefly about Wheels of Misfortune, which is another flavor about it. I hope you all enjoy the conference. Thank you.
Andrew Benoit, sales leader and G2M advisor, joins us to guide us through selling your company on chaos engineering.
From working with sales reps to getting all the necessary internal approvals, serving as the lead evaluator for the tools you need can be pretty brutal, but it doesn't have to be. Join me for my talk to get unfiltered behind the scenes insights on how you can best work with your sales reps and internal stakeholders without all the extra chaos.
Tejendra Bhandari, cloud security architect at Nokia, will discuss chaos multi-domain scenarios and its business impacts.
Hello, good day everyone. Good day everyone to around the people of the globe who are joining in for this conference. My name is Tejendra Bhandari and today I am going to deliver a small note upon business impacts of multi-domain chaos scenarios. A small snippet about me. I have 15 years of experience wherein 12 years in all for cloud and enterprise solutions and products. I've been working as a lead security architect and resiliency charter lead for APJ and LATAM regions for Nokia. And in past have been working with multiple clients who have been implementing chaos and security in their portfolios. I've been working as a pre-sales and a market lead for APJ and LATAM region, as I said. Currently, I'm working with practice teams, engineering teams, and pre-sales and sales teams to guide them how to win the projects and how to implement the chaos scenarios and bring the value out of it. So let's talk about the business impact of multi-domain use cases scenarios. Thank you so much.
Saranja Yena and Sartak Jain from Harness will empower you with embracing resilience, unleashing the power of chaos engineering in CD pipelines.
I'm Sarthak, and with me is Saranya. We both are senior software developers at Harness and also maintainer of Litmus Chaos, which is an open source tool that allows you to practice chaos engineering. We have attached our LinkedIn and Twitter profiles just in case you want to reach out to us after this session.
Olumide Akinremi, technical team lead at Sabi, will guide you through building resilient systems with serverless web development.
Hello everyone, join me for my talk on chaos engineering, where we'll discuss building resilient systems with serverless web development. In this talk, we will discuss what exactly chaos engineering is. I'm also excited to share with you what chaos in the front end is and how to build scalable and resilient front-end application. Finally, we will discuss about failures and how to handle failures. See you soon.
Matthew Schillerstorm, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Harness, will facilitate revolutionizing software development, integrating chaos engineering and feature flags for enhanced reliability and agile response.
Hey everyone, I've attended Conf42 for the past few years and finally get the opportunity to speak to you. I'm excited to share my learnings on how chaos engineering combined with feature flags can help you revolutionize your software development. Stay tuned to learn about Litmus Chaos, an open feature from the Cloud Native Compute Foundation. Thank you for joining in.
Dheeraj Kumar Jain, software engineer at AWS, will enlighten us on chaos engineering for developers, breaking systems for resilience.
Hello everyone, please join me in Conf42 for a talk around chaos engineering for developers, where we'll talk about how to do controlled experiments during software development to increase system resiliency and how you can think chaos during software development, because chaos engineering is not just a SRE thing, but it can be very useful for developers also. So we'll go through some bulletproof techniques of practicing chaos engineering during software development. See you there. Please don't forget to register.
Elad Leev, Senior Data Platform Engineer at Dojo, will help you push your streaming platform to the limit.
Hi everyone. Please join me in my talk on how to push your streaming platforms to the limits. In my talk, we're going to cover the art of stress testing our systems. We are going to see what do we need to do in order to run those tests, what to look for in our tests, and many, many more. Looking forward to see you all and enjoy the conference.
Last but not least, let's welcome Ilya Sher, the CTO of BIM. Unix shell, we can do better now.
Hello. You're using your terminal emulator, you type commands, you receive some responses back. Basically what you're doing, you're sending some text and you're getting some responses which are also text. This communication style, this paradigm, is exactly the same one as used by Telegraph. And this is not a coincidence. I'm Ilya Sher, come and see my talk. Unix shell, we can do better now. And we'll discuss the historical events that led to this situation, and also what is wrong and what we can do better now. See you at my talk.
That wraps up the lineup for Conf42 Chaos Engineering 2024. As per usual, free RSVP unlocks our Slack channel, the VOD website, and the YouTube playlist. The keynote, the panel discussion, and all talks will begin streaming following this video. Please refer to our website for the schedule. If you like what we do, please consider supporting Conf42 directly with a monthly subscription. You can find the link in the description. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for speaking, attending, and I hope you have a great time at Conf42 Chaos Engineering 2024. That was Mark. Again, thank you so much. Cheers!